Ok. C'est le comeback. 180, allez, 130 000. Okay, look like want to break out. Now let it breathe. Big buyers here. Big buyers. Okay. Good news. I don't want to come back below. I have to pass through. Let's go. Let's see the ES. ES is going. Next resistance is very high, so let's try to see if I can put more. Okay, I try to check on the ES. You see 78 the level. A lot of sellers, but the bid absorb, and now have to pop up again if the trend continues. Let's go. Don't want to come back. Okay, exit. But maybe it's not finished. But I'm not sure. You see, not a lot of buyers. When it starts to pop up, it was the bid was absorbing and pop, like a gunshot with a lot of blue, and now no more.